Tekatangi keren.
Working President Jong Seng United Democratic Party bolong ru Menteri Kesokar ubak polling do ula pentip ba Shen ke Seng kan sepelait patba yakimat Jingkular na kebenta kini ke election Lok Sabha. Kat tu kat ni na kini ke Jingkular kin kentup halo ka jing sateng jong ka jing penrung ya ka ketien KHASI bat garo ka krenit bapra jong kariti sensyal kadar jong kari kilat kilenti ban khanglat ya ka jing wanrung bean jong ki bar jala na lor ki we pan. Uba Pol ula pensyairu baga Seng UDP kami don benta bat kan North East Democratic Alliance lanin nida bat om don jing tip hiru badon kum keni ke Seng. Ule tu ru bahaduk menta ke Seng kam sempat la sei ya unu kurtong banyak aireng natura parliamentary seat bat kan num kersan ru yakinu kinu ki Seng nari luom garo. Aba juba bahlo ka jing penkrek jong ke Seng uba Pol ula ong ba udon ka jing shanya ka bas kem ba ka RDA kan job agani ke election ka bansawan na Shillong parliamentary seat.
The draft is ready. We should be able to release the manifesto along with the appeal of the candidate within a couple of days. Some of the major highlights would include pending issues like inclusion of KHASI and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution, better and more effective mechanisms to curb infiltration into Meghalaya. There is no question of UDP being part of NEDA. NEDA has not met in a very long time. I do not even know whether it's still in existence or not.
What happening ki jing dawa bon weng no